Hello everyone. Thank you so much for using my STEM Career Challenges. These are online mini courses for teenagers. I wanted to give a quick demonstration of how to use these resources within a distance learning environment. There are two options. Option one, all of these challenges are available as TPT Digital Activities. From the product page, you can click Use as buyer. So after you've purchased, you'll have these two options to either download it as a PDF or to use it as a buyer. With TPT Digital Activities, I do have a support ticket in. I'll update this video when I hear back from them, but it looks like the links are not carrying over into the digital activities. All these challenges have lots of different links with lots of different resources to help your students learn about that career. So with the TPT Digital Activities, you will not be able to access the links as of now. So what I've been doing with my own students and what I wanted to show you how to do is to download the resource as a PDF. It will look like this, of course. This is just the free Adobe Acrobat Reader. I do not have a premium subscription of any kind. And all that you need to do to be able to use this effectively in your distance learning classroom is the fill and sign feature, which is free on all free plans. So I have demarked parts within each challenge, either where students are going to be emailing you their response if it's something like a project, or where they can type directly in, where it's a more check for understanding type thing. So here we're on page 5, they've learned a little bit, so here's a good stopping point for students to explain something. So in this case, they're going to summarize a day in the life of a forensic scientist. I've left some space where there are ones like this, so you just click fill and sign, the U fill and sign, and then you'll get this little text box. So if you're familiar with the TPT Digital Activities, it's very similar. It's pretty much the same thing. But as you'll see here, in the actual PDF is where the links work. I can't get them to work in the TPT Digital Activities. So your students can type here. So typing my answer, and then it saves. And then I'll continue on. There's nothing to type here. On the Google Slides, you can make your own copy. Students can answer directly, usually at the end. For this one, again, where they're doing a quiz, you could just write the answer on the side, still using that fill and sign tool. I don't know if that's the right answer, I'm just going quickly. And so on. Just as more food for thought, the PDF can be uploaded directly into your distance learning classroom. So for example, Google Classroom, you can just upload the PDF itself to your classroom. Students can download it, they can fill it out and have fun, and then they can save as their own copy and either send it back to you or submit as an assignment in Google Classroom or whatever else you're using. I've heard from a few of you saying you've converted this into Google Slides. However you think is easiest. To me, the easiest way is to just download it as a PDF and use the free fill and sign feature within Adobe Acrobat. But that's just my food for thought. I wanted to show you how to effectively use this in your distance learning classroom. And good luck. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help.